Are you tired of manually replaying YouTube videos over and over again on your iPhone? In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily loop YouTube videos on your iPhone. I'll walk you through the steps for setting it up in just a few taps. With this helpful trick, you can save time and watch your favorite YouTube videos non-stop. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to loop YouTube videos on your iPhone. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile application and then find the video that you want to loop. I'm simply going to select one of my videos to show you this example. So once you have the video playing, simply tap on the video once. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the video. And it will show you these options. So from these options, simply tap on Loop Video. And now that the video loop feature is turned on, as soon as this video ends, it will start it all over again. And once that's done, it will start the video all over again and again until you turn this feature off. For some reason, if you don't see this option, just update your app to the latest version or delete the YouTube mobile app and re-download it from the App Store, and you should be good to go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.